Labour's 2025 budget may have pleased many on the party's backbenchers, but analysts say it is unlikely to rescue Sir Keir Starmer from growing discontent within his own ranks or save him from a potential leadership crisis in the new year. While budgets are traditionally assessed in terms of economic impact and household finances, their political consequences can be just as significant. Historic budgets, such as Geoffrey Howe's 1981 package or Nigel Lawson's landmark 1988 reforms, helped define entire political eras. But few budgets have ever been popular enough to save an embattled Prime Minister from falling out of favour with MPs or the wider public. For now, the main political beneficiary of this budget appears to be Chancellor Rachel Reeves. Her headline announcement, scrapping the controversial two-child benefits cap, was met with loud, prolonged cheers from Labour MPs, many of whom view the policy as a long-standing injustice. The change is expected to cost around £3 billion by the end of the Parliament, but pollsters warn it could also carry a political price. A large majority of voters oppose higher taxes to support larger families reliant on benefits, a calculation that previously shaped Conservative strategy when they introduced the cap. But critics argue that such resistance is unsustainable. The Office for Budget Responsibility, OBR, forecasts welfare spending will surge by £73.2 billion, reaching £406.2 billion within 5 years, a level economists warn is neither affordable nor sustainable. Much of this increase stems from rising out-of-work benefits, effectively requiring those still in employment to pay more to fund those who have left the workforce, sometimes permanently. Alongside immigration and asylum policy, welfare reform is expected to be one of the defining battlegrounds of this Parliament. Critics argue that many MPs who proudly defend the NHS are also unwilling to confront the growing population of working-age adults claiming long-term health-related benefits. Of the £26 billion in extra taxation announced by Reeves, one-third will go directly to increased welfare spending. 16 months into this Parliament, Labour has already delivered more tax rises than any government since the early 1970s. Despite Reeves receiving enthusiastic support from her colleagues, Starmer remains deeply unpopular among many Labour MPs. Analysts suggest that even a politically successful budget is unlikely to shield him from internal challenges following next May's elections. As Reeves remarked at the start of her speech, this was a Labour budget. Critics say it raises taxes on those who work in order to provide more for those who don't, a budget that reflects Labour's ideological instincts, but one that may deepen existing tensions inside the party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your support means a lot.